Yes, guys, welcome back to the NN channel. This is our Sunday dinner. Nia, this is Nia dinner. This is Nia dinner. See her there with the tomato. Yeah. This is my food. My dinner this. You know, so I make some carrot juice. And Nia don't want it. So my little carrot juice there. My little carrot juice. Nia don't want it. This is our lovely. She watch our cartoons. So she watch this. What are you?
Mackenzie.
Yeah, what she watch? It's not me, I'm beautiful. Yeah, it tastes nice. You know, it's been nice. Just don't cook for me. Yeah, that's how we do it there. We eat early, what time and after one. Dinner time, dinner time, dinner time. Guys, this is just a little small vlog. Now we are eat. Down the table we are eat. So guys, you are asking you. Just leave a comment, please. Just go subscribe and leave a comment. Before she take up on a drink. I don't want to drink the carrot juice. You're going to put it back in, you're not drinking it. You're not drinking it, you're going to put the carrot juice. And it's yours. Okay? Tell me now. To put this over carrot juice. And thank you guys for watching our Sunday dinner. Bye.